Welcome to TagSense, an AI-powered image privacy preprocessor. Here, we start by selecting an input image from the gallery. Imagine this is a photo you're about to share online. Next, we choose how to protect sensitive objects. You can blur, hide, or replace them. In this demo, we'll select Replace. Now, TagSense works with Chrome's on-device AI model to analyze the image. It scans for items like credit cards, laptop screens, documents, or whiteboards that could reveal private or confidential details. Once the model finishes, we can view the raw AI output. This is the full technical analysis. But for a quick and user-friendly view, we switch to the Summary tab. Here, TagSense provides clear bullet points: what risks were found, what actions were applied, and whether the image is now safe to share. With TagSense, you can confidently upload your images knowing they're free from accidental privacy or compliance risks.